Hey guys, this is Fighter. Today we have Mao also playing with us.
Hi guys, this is Mao.
And today we are going to be playing Dinoland Strongman Simulator. Yeah, so I have already started playing this and I'm a baby noodle. uh, so I'm waiting for Mao. He is going to join. Oh my god. Oh, someone is that big. I didn't know that. So where is Mao? Let's see. And yeah, if you're wondering why I have to why I get the mic button, camera and all, it is for recording. Where is now? Can you come please? Okay, he's joining. He's saying. Let's get all
Okay,
six.
I'm here.
Yeah.
Where are you, Fighter? The
Oh.
feather area? Yeah,
Yeah, I'm over there.
I'm there.
All six ducks. Oh
Just a
god,
moment.
there's someone over there. This always happens.
I'm going to collect everything. Oh, I fell.
Oof, that happens a
So
lot.
let's go to the bigger one after we do this one.
Yeah.
Let me just collect all of these.
And done.
Yeah, now we don't go from the teleporter.
No, I don't want to move that dumpster.
I moved it. Okay. Wait.
Okay.
Oh my,
Let's see if I can move all the tires or not.
I can move them. I think. What's your strength?
Oh, I
by the
can.
way?
My strength is 303.
Oh, I'm 341.
Oh, so yeah.
How much energy for training?
How much energy for training? 17.55k.
I have 34.31. That's good.
Oh.
Okay, I'm going to get all the tires.
Hey, there was a small weight which I didn't notice. Grab kettlebell.
I'm able to get all the tires, but I'll collect more.
I'm
I
going
think I
to
can collect every single thing and I'll move.
Yeah, I'm doing the same.
Yeah, if you can do it, then I can because I have more level than you.
Yeah. That
Okay,
is true though.
I'm in a high. Oh, I never used this kettle bag. I
Same.
didn't come into this area only.
Yeah. Me too.
Okay, what's this?
We
last?
get a lot
Protein
at a
snake.
time, that's why.
Protein shaker, okay.
Yeah, last was a protein shake.
Okay, now let's see how many rewards will I get. That's a lot.
We have to go to the next area. We can only go to this area. We cannot go more further than this.
The other one is really difficult. Means
Yeah.
after this,
Hmm.
I'm moving the protein.
I
bar, I'll
don't
be
know
back.
if I can move the French fries. Oh, I can.
Yeah, I can. So you also can.
Hmm.
Okay, I've moved.
How many
the
can I
protein
move?
bar.
Oh, I
think
can
two.
move I can move 3 at a time.
Two.
Okay.
Oh, three. I have moved the turkey, the biggest thing. That also works.
4. Okay.
I've taken 2 pies. I can't.
Oh, you cannot
yes.
take more than 4.
I took 2 pies. You can
Oh.
take that.
Yeah, and if you're confused why my name is Champion, I didn't exactly have an idea that I was going to make a Roblox video. And I also play Brawl Stars, that's why I keep my name as Fighter. That is the thing. Oof, the sushi is making me float.
Oh, you can't. How many have you taken?
I cannot go down. Yikes.
I think I can
Yikes.
take them. 1, 2, 3.
I have to remove all first.
I have taken 4 and I can take it. Okay, 4
Okay.
is good.
Okay, I can move all the sushis. That is very, very good for me.
2k.
Yeah, we got 2k
Okay,
for
I'm
every
going
sushi.
for the biggest one. You can come with me there. That will work.
Okay.
Okay, baby noodle. You're still in that level.
Yeah, I'm still in that. And which level are you?
Baby noodle, same.
Same level.
Yeah.
Oh my god!
I took 2 turkeys and I can still move. The reward is going to be crazy with turkeys.
With turkeys, the reward is crazy. Are you kidding me?
I'll just check it out.
Can I move 3 pies at a time? I can, but I'm pretty slow.
It's 5k per turkey. It's 5k.
Oh, that's a lot. That's a
great.
lot.
I'm taking those.
Yeah,
I
I'm
grab
floating and I'm pretty slow.
I think you should take 3 turkeys. I'm able to move but really slow. Okay.
Are you sure I'm not going to take any turkeys? I'll start by 1 turkey only, but first I have to train myself more.
When you are moving really slowly, don't jump. It doesn't work sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh my god, you are able to lift the turkey.
3
That's a
turkeys
lot.
at once. 1. Oh, 2 have to come. Yes, now I can come.
I need to see how many turkeys. Oh, so 3 is the
You
maximum.
can. Oh, 3 is the maximum. I don't know that.
Okay, let's train.
I'll take 3 turkeys and 1 pie.
I have to train myself.
That's going to be slow for me. I took 3 turkeys and 1 pie. I can still move.
Oh.
I feel. I don't know if I'm moving. Oh, you're training yourself.
Yeah.
Okay, 1 pie I'll remove. I'll do it with 3 turkeys.
I don't think so you were moving. Yeah, now you're moving.
I was moving really slow, I think. I
Oh.
removed the pie.
Oh. Okay, so how much are you trained again? I forgot.
341.
341. Oh, I crossed you.
How much is it?
Wait a
If you go to
second.
350, I think we'll upgrade.
Oh my god, I had to only do one more time, or else I could have done. I'm at 349.
Okay, I'm upgrading myself to how much, I don't know. I have 114k, so it's going to be a lot.
Moving a turkey is nice. Woo.
I think I'll reach 355 or more than that.
Chalo. Now I can train myself. And I can go more than baby noodle. I don't want to be a baby
I'm weak noodle now, yes. 350 plus weak noodle.
Yay. Okay, that's good.
Okay, I'm already at 360.
363, same. Sorry, not 360. 352. Oh.
Okay, I'm going to. Okay, I won't be pulling anything for a minute.
Oh my god, the turkeys are making me float.
You have taken 3 of them?
Yeah.
Oh.
I can move them, I guess, a
Yeah.
bit.
Don't jump.
I'm not
Just
jumping.
walk and you can
These turkeys are making me float.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay, so you are a weak noodle right now. How much strength?
Weak noodle 352.
Do you have any? Oh, 663. You can't upgrade. I'm a noodle now. 400. I'm at 401. And I still have 15k gold. So I can reach till like 410 or 420.
Okay, I'm going to like continue till I get
We have to do it till-
200k gold or energy. The
the
energy.
energy.
Yeah, because last time when I did
Yeah,
it,
200k. You
I
were
came.
ahead of me.
I came from like 72 to 200, I guess. Yeah, 200.
Yeah, more than that.
More than that.
I'm at
Yeah.
410 right now. We need to reach till 600, then we'll go together. It will take a long time.
Oh god, these 2 turkeys. Why
Just
are
take,
they?
you can take 3 of them, it's possible.
I know, but let
You'll
me
be
like.
slow.
They both are. All the 3 are coming on top of each other. Now that is a problem for me.
Oh, it's working for me. I've taken 3 turkeys and a pie. It's moving. Oh, whose turkeys are these? Yours.
Yeah, I better
Okay.
get them out of your way. And
I got all 4 things. And
Okay.
it's a lot.
I got a
It is
turkey.
19k.
And now let's see. We'll grab another turkey. We can still move with 2 turkeys. So we will like shift the turkeys a bit far from the spawn. Hey, wait. I
Okay.
have to grab one
That
more
was yours?
turkey. Yeah, done.
Okay, I have also.
Yeah, I can walk with 3 turkeys.
I'll remove my turkey first because yours is crashing on his man. We need to remove quickly. Okay, mine's done. 2
Okay.
left.
Oh god. I need to grab something, yeah. Else, I guess.
You could
can
take 3 turkeys and a pie. It's possible. I tried it.
I'm pretty slow. I will be pretty slow. I'm
I've
pretty
taken.
sure about that.
Oh, this is working. I've taken 3 turkeys and 3 pies,
Oh.
and I can move really fast. Normal speed.
Oh.
Okay, it's a little bit difficult. I think I'm moving. I'm not sure.
Oh, you're not sure. Okay.
Yes, I did it. 3 turkeys, 3 pie.
3 turkey, 3 pie. Okay.
And you'll get 27k at once if you do that.
Oh.
Okay, I have 76.66. How much do you have?
Oh, I don't know. I'm training right now.
Oh.
And yeah.
I'll go 100k, then I'll train.
I'm going to grab 3 things at first. I will get the turkey at last. I'll use the turkeys at last. So, okay. Did I grab all the sodas? Yeah, there are only 5 soda for me.
Fighter,
Yeah.
champion. We don't need to collect that stuff anymore to reach 600 strength.
I
I've
know.
removed this fryer so we can go. The
Nah.
next stage is the arcade stage. I've
No.
done that before also.
No, it is not removed for me. It will only be removed for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
You can also pull it. You have got enough strength.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Ooh,
And
I'm going to pull all of these at a
arcade
time.
before also, so it's good actually.
Oh my god, why are all the people coming on in the same way as I am?
Oh, I'm in the corner, red lane, the red lane. The
Oh
last
god, no, I have to leave everything.
one. I think you need to pull the fryer and come in the arcade. I'm going there. Come fast.
I don't think so. I will be able to pull the fryer.
Try it out once. I'm waiting here.
Okay.
Weak noodle.
Hey, don't call me that.
Because I'm a noodle. And
Oh,
I'm
I
spinning.
can actually. I can
Hey,
move the
that's a
fryer.
good spinning. Okay, are you in arcade? Okay, you're lagging a little bit for me.
Okay, I will try to go in arcade now.
Okay.
Oh, I can go in arcade. Yay!
Yeah, I've done this one. Don't take this. First, try the air hockey and the foosball.
Okay.
Try the foosball first, I think.
Yeah.
Air hockey.
Ooh.
I'm at 410. It's a little bit difficult for me also.
Oh, I have to yeah, I'm pretty slow. It's like I'm not moving, but if I do like this, move my screen a bit like this, I move a bit.
What's your strength, by the
normal.
way?
368.
Oh, I'm at 410 and I'm upgrading.
Oh, okay.
I have 114k, so it will take time.
114k. Okay, you didn't break my record because I got 160k. Oh my god, God bless you. Be careful, okay? Guys, give me 1 minute. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Sorry, it took me a long time, I guess. Oh, I don't want to float again. Let's see. I want to see. Oh, there are only 3 footballs. I didn't know that. Oof. What is the next one? I want to know. What is next after arcade? I don't know right now if I can even break my own record. So we will see. Oof. I'm very slow. Very slow. Okay, finally. Okay, let's see if we can take this. Yeah, 1 minute, guys, again. Yeah, guys, I'm back. Oh, my strength is 368. I will try to move the
I
hair.
am 466 and I'm spicy noodle.
Oh,
I think I'll move this. What's the name? Pool table.
pool table. Okay.
Oh, this is really slow, but I'll do it.
Okay.
And wonder what's after spicy noodle. I'm at 486 now. 466 now.
We don't know. I'll
Okay, the pool table takes time. Don't try it. You can't lift it right now.
Oh, I see. You're pretty slow. Let's see if I can grab. I can
Yeah, you
take
can.
2.
No, it's not possible.
Nope. Yeah, you're true. You said
How
that.
much energy do you have?
47.11k, and I want to try to break my own record, like 160k last time I got. That's why. Oof.
I think you need to use it because it's gonna.
Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Again, 1 minute. Okay, guys, I'm back. Yeah, sorry, it took me time. Oh, my screen was moving in between. I saw. 1 minute. Sorry, guys. Okay. Oof. What? Yes, what happened?
I'm not able to move this pool table. That's difficult.
Oh my
I
god! Why are people coming in my way? Oop.
I'm
Oops,
taking
sorry.
2 air hockey
Okay.
and okay, it's difficult.
Ow.
I'm at 486 right now. I need to go to 500.
Okay, I'm going to drop air hockey or else I can't pull these 3 fistballs.
This is slow.
I know. Oh, what is in the chat? Oh, this happens a lot. I better move that.
I think you should upgrade yourself and we both will try to, pull that thing, the big arcade, so that we can go into the next world.
Oh, okay, we will do that. But I will actually save my energy.
I don't know if you can do it right now. What's your strength right now?
Oof, I'm not able to see the button as well.
I'm
Now
at
I'm
486. I can't pull it.
Oof, it's making me float a bit.
We need to go like more than 500.
Yeah, that is actually true. Oh my god. Okay, so which is the biggest? Which is the biggest? Oh, that is one.
Rebirth.
We can even rebirth. Okay, I didn't know
I
because
think
I'm
I'm not,
muted.
it was written somewhere. I read it.
Oh, I'm muted again, so I didn't know. Okay,
Okay, I'm going to.
let's work out a bit.
Oh, that guy is so big.
Where? I will come. Wait a minute.
I started my workout.
Oh, same. Even I'm.
I'll probably be like 485 or 490.
490. Oh, that's a lot. You
Yeah,
have
I'm
more
at
progress than me.
486. I have 9k. So 2 or 3 more upgrade. Yeah, I'm at 470.
Oh.
No, 490. Yeah, 490. And 470 energy.
Oh. I have 406 energy and I'm a normal noodle now.
Normal.
Yeah. Okay, who is this? A noob.
How is a noob here? It's not even possible.
Okay, I am confused right now.
How can we do that?
Is he glitching or hacking something?
A noob can't even pull all those things which we have done.
What if he's a hacker or he's like hacking something? Sorry guys.
Okay, I'm pulling that thing. The big arcade.
The big arcade. Okay, try it.
If I can do it, then you can try it once you reach my...
Oh, you're not able to do that.
No, I can't even move a little bit.
Okay, I need to see how...
The guy is so big, why isn't he trying it?
I don't know. He thinks we can only do it when we reach to 1,000 strength. He's not even trying to pull that. Oh my god, is that
If it is 1,000 strength, then I don't think we can do it. I'm at 490.
Ow, 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 ow. I can only pull like
Okay, noodle.
No, not 2. Oh god. You also grabbed at the same time.
I can pull 3 air hockeys and I'm moving slow.
Oh, let's see if I
That's
can...
Am I even moving? Check it out once. Champion.
You are moving though, a bit. Very, very slow.
I'm dropping one. Yeah, I can do 2 of them. Now I'll upgrade myself in something.
Okay, let's see if I can... Oh. Okay, let's see if we can do this. Am I making any progress on your screen?
I'm coming. Where are you, by the way? Oh, yeah. Yeah, you're really close. You're doing it. You're moving.
Okay.
Wait, I'm coming here. No, now you're frozen. Remove one of these items.
No,
okay,
because yours and mine. Yours and mine. Both are stuck.
The crash. Yeah. Okay, I moved far.
Yay. Okay, now I'm able to.
Yep, I also.
And yes, done.
Spin.
Yes.
I'm having
Spin
fun.
to win. You do the spin to win because it's in Brawl Stars.
Yeah, you also play Brawl Stars, but not that much.
Yeah, not that much. I haven't played anything that much because they were my exams.
So guys,
Yeah, guys, I'm back again. I'm busy a bit. I think so. No, I'm not. Okay, there's someone. Okay, it's you only. It's you only.
yeah, spicy noodle. You know
Yeah.
who?
You know. Okay. We both have different names in Brawl Stars and Roblox because some names weren't valid when we tried Fighter or like Mao. They weren't valid.
And I made this Roblox account really early before I started playing Brawl Stars.
Yeah, I know.
Roblox was the first mobile game which we enjoyed the most.
Yeah, that is true.
I can only pull 2 air hockeys, okay.
We only used to play hide and seek in this until I
Yeah.
started to like play
We
new games.
explored, explored.
Yeah. I was the one who wanted to explore. Then he also started exploring.
I love Superhero Tycoon.
Yeah, that's his favorite game in this.
Yep. And I don't know why, but Brawl Blocks is fun. Brawl
Yeah.
Stars plus Roblox.
Yeah, Brawl Blocks. It's a game in Roblox.
Okay, I'm doing my upgrade.
Okay.
Workout. You also do it because we need to go.
Yeah, I'll just like reach 100k and do it.
100k, okay, I was.
100k or 150 or 200, I guess.
Yes.
I think
have
200.
reached strength 500. I'm a strong noodle.
Oh my god, you are faster than me.
But the difficult part is the workout. I'm just spamming.
Oh yeah, that
You'll
is
see
like.
me after 2 or 3 minutes.
Yeah, I know. Till that I'll like. Oh, I'm near 100k as well. So yeah, I'll just continue because I'm near 100k. And the tower fell. When you are a strong noodle, try to move that arcade
Yeah,
machine.
that's what I'll do. So I'm at 532 with 2k gold.
Oh, 2k gold left.
Yep, only 2k. Energy. Why am I saying gold? It's energy.
Yeah, same. I always do a mistake between. Because in my screen I'm not able to see it properly. I think you guys can see the energy. Like energy, but I'm seeing it like coins or something like that.
I still can't pull it.
Oh, you still can't?
Come to that arcade and check it out if I'm moving even a little bit, cause
I cannot see. Even if you move, it doesn't move for me. Did you?
Oh yeah.
Do you remember that?
Okay, so it's not possible.
I don't think so. Right now, it is possible. Oh, it's in a perfect tower. I'm ending it in a perfect tower. No, one fell. That was very bad. Oh, I didn't even notice, and this happened. Wow. I'm at 146.
I think you need to use it.
Oh god, what is this? 46.46k?
Yeah. You're just a noodle. I think you need to upgrade yourself.
Yeah, I'll upgrade when I have like 250 or 200.
Okay, I can pull 3 air hockey and 1
No,
pool table
my
at once.
perfect tower. Okay, I'm moving pretty slow. I need to do it fast to reach to like 250. Then after that, I will only spam and spam. 250 or 300?
That will take a lot of time. I think you need to upgrade yourself.
Are you sure? I'm
If
not
you
going
upgrade
to.
yourself, you can pull the pool
Why are you
table.
saying upgrade again? Even why am I even saying upgrade again? We have to train, right?
Yeah. No. Yeah.
For training, we are saying upgrade.
If you do the workout thing, then you'll get 9k for a pool table if you can pull it.
Oh.
So you need to upgrade your workout.
Oh, I'm at 200. Oh, I broke my own record. Finally.
Okay. Oh, that guy. I know.
Oh my god.
He's at the highest right now.
Yeah.
You could cross to that easily.
Hmm.
Okay, so that pool table gives us 9k, so I think you need to upgrade yourself. If you can't pull it, then.
Okay, no problem. I'll be at 300 soon because I'm 224,000.46k. I am at that right now, so I'll reach 300k soon. I'll use it all at once.
I really want to go to the other side.
Same.
I don't think I can do it right now.
Oh, okay. Oh, I'm moving very
We
slow.
need 1000 strength for going to the next stage if we can't pull it then.
Yeah.
If we don't want to pull it and all that stuff, if we want to teleport.
Hmm.
1000 and I'm at 532.
Nah, I'm not going. I'll go at 1,000 and next stage. I don't know.
I think it will take a week for me to do that.
Oh,
Because I don't play Roblox regularly, I play Brawl Stars as you guys know.
yeah. He only makes Brawl Stars video. He only played Roblox and
Once in a
uploaded
video.
one. I mean, he uploaded only one video on Roblox. Seriously.
Roblox is a good game.
Yeah. Before he found Brawl Stars or heard about this game, he only used to play Roblox and FIFA Mobile.
Yeah, FIFA Soccer, it was good.
Hmm.
I still play it, but I made a new account, not the old one.
Oh, I'm at 300. Can you beat
300K?
that? Yeah. Can
Okay,
you beat
that's
that?
good.
Can you beat that?
No, because I am using all of those energies to upgrade myself. So
Oh.
mine was like 200k.
Okay, last.
200 or 250k last time. That's why it took me like 2 or 3 minutes to do it.
Yeah. I'm a bit patient, that's why I'm able to do.
Okay, I'm a massive noodle now, 550 strength.
Oh.
You are still a noodle. I think you need to use it right now.
Yeah, sure, I will use it. I think I will use it at 400k only.
That will take you like 5 minutes of the video.
5 minutes? Are you sure?
Yep.
Nope.
3 minutes at least.
3 minutes at least? Okay.
I'm a massive noodle, 559 strength. It's fun.
Hmm.
Where are you by the way?
I'm right over here.
I'm in the finish line.
Okay.
I'm a massive noodle.
You are massive noodle, okay.
Yeah, there you are.
Hmm. Okay, done. Yes, I only need 40k more to go.
Pull the pool table. I think you can do it.
I don't think so. I was not able to.
Oh.
I will try once again. Wait, did I even try? I tried the wrong
I
time?
don't
No,
know
I
if you
didn't.
did. I'm not sure.
No, I didn't, I guess.
I
I'll
can
try.
pull a pool table and 2 air hockey at once, but I don't know if I'm moving.
You are.
Okay, a little bit.
Bro, you are moving.
Okay, so look at that guy. He literally took everything in the arcade and did.
Okay, I'm not moving at all. Pool table is very difficult for
I
me.
don't know if I'm moving. Okay, I'm removing 1 air hockey. I can do it then.
This guy.
He's massive.
Oh my god, he took all the items at the same time. We
Wow.
both took all the items at the same time. That's why that was a problem. That really happens. When me and Mao do that, we get stuck.
If that big guy who was there, if he can't pull it, then how can I do it?
Oh,
I don't know what is his strength right now. It's visible on laptops and iPad, but not on the phone.
yeah, he's playing on phone today. He always does when he
I
records
play
Brawl
Roblox
Stars.
on laptops only.
Yeah, Brawl Stars is not available on his PC or like anything. Yay! Can you
pull a
beat?
pool table?
Can you like beat 400k?
No, I can't. Even it.
I'm patient. That's why I can do
If
this.
you upgrade yourself, you'll be a massive noodle. Do it right now.
Massive noodle. Are you sure?
Yeah, I am a massive noodle. I'm 559. 406 is possible, I hope.
Hmm.
Go and try it out.
Okay, I'll do that as well. I don't know why, but I don't want to stop and reach till 500,000.
No.
And
It'll
like
take
500k.
a lot of time to open all of that then.
Yeah, I know.
Okay.
I will not be able to beat my own record then if I do 500.
Where are you by the way?
I'm right over here. Oof, you also don't take at the same time. When I'm done, you will take.
I don't need that. I'm taking a pool table and
Oh, hair off.
air
Oh,
hockey.
hair. Yeah. You take those.
It's possible, okay. For me, if I reach till 200k, I just use it.
Oh.
200k will get you like 100 strength more.
Hmm. And I'm almost near 500k.
You need to do it now.
Okay. Okay.
That's a lot,
I know. I'm patient. That's why I can.
but that's too long.
I know. I think most of the video got stretched on that
Yeah.
only. Oh, I only grabbed 2. Yeah, I need 3. Okay, this is over. Now I'm at 500k. This is the
Yeah,
last
please
step
do
for
it.
me. This is the last step for me. Then
I
will
can't
reach
pull a
500K.
racing arcade.
Oh.
Okay, that's heavy. I want to pull a racing arcade, then
Now
I have
let's
basketball.
Now let's train ourselves.
I'm also training myself. I'm at 70k. I want to use it right now.
Okay.
I just do that. I like to upgrade a workout here because
I'll have to
new names.
spam.
How much is the cost for you present? 1.87 only.
Yeah.
Mine is 2.
1.88 now. Yeah, 1 mad. Again, guys, I have to like mute myself sometimes. Okay, the cost is increasing.
I'm at 2.9k.
Oh. Okay, how much strength?
Give me a minute. I'm at
Okay.
584.
Huh? Oh yeah, you are like still training after training. Then after
I'm a
training.
massive noodle. I'm going to wait here just to see what is going to be on.
Okay.
Okay.
Mine is going to be like a lot bigger, I guess, because I'm still in 400k.
You're going to be higher than me.
I'm pretty sure about that
Just
right now.
because you save it.
Oh god, 400k isn't ending.
Just tell me.
Finally, it has ended. Now I
What
have
is your
to
name,
wait.
by the way?
Hmm?
The noodle thing. What is it now?
Still a spicy noodle. Wait a minute.
Okay, now you're spicy.
I'm going to 500.
Okay, you'll be a massive noodle later.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure about that. Oof, I'm still in 300k. Why isn't it ending?
Oh god. I think we'll have to cut that out. That's so long to upgrade.
Yeah, I know. The video is going to be pretty long.
Yeah. Okay, I've taken this.
500 about. Wait, do I seriously have 500 badges or something?
Oh yeah, that thing. If you cross 500 strength, you get a badge. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That. Okay, so you are plus 500. I
Yeah.
think you're a massive noodle. I don't know. What are you?
Okay,
right now?
I'm a strong noodle right now.
Okay, yeah, massive noodle is at 550. I forgot.
Yeah, I'm still at
How much gold? Gold energy.
energy. It's not gold again.
Energy. How much?
I don't know. I'll tell when it's ended. Oof. Come on, at least. Okay, I'm a massive noodle. I'm going to go to 600
I'm
strength.
at 584 right now.
I'm pretty sure I will go to 600.
Okay.
Oh my god.
I'll change my avatar from in the game because whenever you go to these kind of games, then
Yeah.
this avatar looks so weird.
Yeah, I know. You were like banana
Yeah.
robot, and that happened to you.
The Roblox picture that always comes like in the superhero tycoon also that happens to me.
Oh.
Yeah. What are you right now?
Oh, nothing.
Why isn't your energy ever ending? Okay, you are at 72k. That's a lot.
Okay.
You are like 600 plus.
Yeah, I'm 600 now. Mega noodle.
Mega noodle. Okay, that's good.
I'm going to like consume all
Try
my
to
all
pull
the
that
energy.
thing, but try
Okay.
to pull the arcade. I think it's possible. I don't know.
I think yeah, I'll be nearly.
I think we need to be like 800 to pull it. I'm not sure. Because that green guy beside you, he's so strong, but he still can't do it.
I don't think so.
I don't think he will do
I don't think so. He'd ever tried to
He
pull that.
I'm not sure. I think I saw him trying. I'm not sure.
Let's see if I can move
Yeah,
the
do it.
arcade. Oh, I cannot.
Okay, then you need to be at the level of that green guy. What is your... Stop moving. Okay, mega noodle.
Yeah, I'm a mega noodle and 617 my strength.
Massive noodle. Okay, what was your training by the way? I forgot. The number. Training, how much?
617 strength, and it's not training.
Okay, I've taken a pool table and then...
Oh god, this guy. Can I move this?
Why is that guy beside us? He should be doing the big things. He can pull those big ones.
I don't know.
No,
Oh,
you can't pull.
I can pull racing arcade.
Oh, I'll also try. I don't know if I can. I think I need to be 600. Oh yes, I can do it, but really, really slow.
Okay, I'm at normal
And I'm
speed, I guess.
jumping.
Oh, we get 10k from this. It's
Okay,
nice.
I'm
nice,
doing
nice,
it.
nice.
I
Can
need
I
to
at
pull
least
it.
pull this?
Am I
basketball?
even moving? It's so slow. No,
You are
can't pull.
moving. You are
You
moving.
can't pull the basketball. It's not possible.
Yeah.
I'm moving really slow.
Can I like go with 2? Oof.
No, you can't do it. 2 is a lot.
Can I move? Am I moving? Tell me, please.
I'll be back. Yeah, you are actually.
I am.
Oh, 10k, that's great. Oh, you're moving with 2 also.
Yeah.
Okay, I need to be 600 plus to move 2. I have taken 2 of them. Okay, you need to move your arcade real quick. I was already stuck there. Okay, I'm able to move it too.
Oof. Oh god, they're on top of each other. A tower.
It's glitching a lot, but
Yeah, I know. It's glitching very, very much.
I'm also moving with you.
Oh no, I'm so close to the finish line.
I'm
They have
literally
to touch
beside
me.
you.
Oh.
I have low strength, but I can pull it. Okay, got to know that. I have
You can pull 2 at a time as well.
20k.
Oh god, you finished before me. How?
Yeah, I did it. You should try 3 actually. I'm not sure, but I think you can do it.
Hey, I cannot pull 3. Okay, I can pull. I thought I cannot pull 3 pool table at a time.
Pool table, oh.
Yeah, I was able to move a bit. That then.
Try the racing arcade, 3 of them. I don't know if it's possible.
First, I like move this so that they don't stack on each other.
20k again. Now I'm at 196k.
Oh, that's nice. That's nice.
I'm not upgrading right now. I'll build these first.
Okay.
Okay, I need to move away from yours or it will glitch.
Oh my god.
I'm stuck. Am I even moving?
I don't know.
This is weird. Why am I not moving?
I'll just
Okay,
like pull one arcade at a time, racing arcade at a time.
Yeah. Even 1 is difficult, really difficult for me right now.
Yeah, because like you are a
Massive noodle.
massive noodle, and I am a mega noodle.
I think I can upgrade to massive noodle now. 196k. I need 2k per upgrade. 3k per upgrade, yeah.
Same, even I need
think
3k per.
It's possible for me. I'm a mega noodle now. I'm going to do it.
Okay.
Let me check my energy first after I get this one 10,000. Okay, I have 206k.
Oh.
This fitness guy I'm going on him. Okay, glazed out there.
I'm going to train as well.
Why do you need to train? You have so much.
I know. I want to like upgrade myself.
You are at what? 600?
After training, I will tell.
Yep. I'm at 600 finally and I am a mega noodle now. And I have 159k, so I'll reach 620, I think 610 or 620. Yeah, more than that.
Oh my god, I was so close. No
What are you
problem.
at?
No, nothing.
I'm still spamming. This is slow.
You're still spamming, okay.
It's 3.1k per workout. 3.11.
Okay.
What are you at, by the way?
I'm not going to tell you now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Oh my god, there's
I'm at 650.
Yeah, it's 650.
I'm about to. I'm at 644 right now.
I'm pretty sure you will cross
I'll do that. I'm 650 and 652 or more than that. And now we'll go to 650. I'm excited for the name. Baby Weakling.
Okay.
And I'm at 651 right now. I'm ahead of you, I hope.
You know what? I'll just. Now I will not train.
Yeah, just wait and all.
Yeah, I will.
You're a
Like,
mega noodle.
okay. Don't tease me. Don't tease me, baby weakling.
Okay, just tell me your strength.
No.
Why?
Hey,
Okay,
don't even try to check my phone.
I've seen it.
Are you sure?
I only have 10 energy left.
Okay.
Oh god.
Move,
बताओ
please
कितना
move.
है जल्दी?
I'll tell you. And. Oof. Okay, now.
Try the basketball. Okay, just tell me if I'm ahead of you so that I can try the basketball.
Okay.
I'm at 651. Are you ahead or behind me?
Behind, obviously.
Okay, then.
You're not even moving a little bit. You're not
Okay,
even
the
able to
basketball
move.
doesn't work on me.
Yeah.
I need like 700
Definitely.
or more. I don't know. Why can't I move to arcade? I was able to do that before. This is actually
Move. I need to grab a arcade.
You can do it. I've taken one of them.
Oh my god, what happened
That
to
guy
this?
took 2 basketball at once. Oh, 3 of them at once. That's maximum, I think.
Yeah.
I wonder
Let me
what the
see.
reward is. I want the rewards. You can't upgrade. How are you? Okay.
Yeah,
you
3
can.
is maximum.
Yep.
I'm not going to pull them. I'm
Yeah,
just
yeah.
saying.
Okay.
Oh no, it's glitching out again. Okay, phew. Now it's normal.
I'm going to take one racing arcade and then. Okay, move fast, champion.
Okay,
Champion slash fighter.
Yeah, it is.
One pool table, one racing arcade.
Oh
and
my
I'm
god,
fine.
he gets 12k for that.
For what?
For moving the
yeah.
basketball.
Oh, you saw it. I didn't see that. Okay.
Yeah, I do.
12k and he's taking 3 of them at once. That's 36k. Great. I'm so slow. One pool and one arcade.
Am I even moving?
Move on, I'm seeing. Are you? I don't know if you're moving. Let me see. Yeah, you are.
Okay, I have to like switch positions like I did before.
Yeah, I'm
to
going
move.
straight. I can do it.
That is actually nice. This trick actually works for me.
Don't try to
very
jump.
well.
That doesn't work actually.
Yeah, this is the way to do. I like
I don't
move
need
my
to do that.
screen. As everybody else can see.
I got 19k at once.
I'll get 20k.
Yeah, I can do that one. But you were there, so I couldn't pull it. Okay, have you done it?
No, one
Why
minute.
are you so slow?
Let me like undo this and
Okay, you're at
this.
the end now. No, I glitched out in your racing arcade. You literally started like way before me and you still couldn't do it.
Yeah, I know. Because you were like stronger than me.
So you couldn't finish one. You couldn't do it one time and I did it twice. Okay, that's good. I'm at 59k. I want to use anything right now.
Let's grab 2 pool tables and an arcade.
Pool table is 9k.
Okay.
Arcade is 10.
I know.
Okay, now.
Okay, I can move a bit. No! I have to like the move one. Okay, that is good.
I want to do this, the other one. I really want to go. I'm at 651 and I can't pull it at all.
Oh.
That big guy can also not do it, I think. He didn't try? No. He's not there anymore. He's gone.
I think he left the game. Oh my god,
Either
I'm
he
walking in
left or he
slow
did.
motion.
Okay, you need to move a little bit because I'm coming.
I'm walking in slow motion.
Oh, okay. I'm
Oof,
beside
it was like I'm floating.
you. Yep. Okay, you're in front. You're on the line. Are you on the line? Yep, you are. I was way behind you and I could do it. Okay, that was fun.
Yeah, because you're a baby weakling, bro.
You need to train yourself.
I know.
I am at 99.01k.
Hey, there's another big guy.
Big guy. Oh, yep.
Yeah, 1 minute, guys. Sorry, guys. I'm very sorry. That happens a lot.
Yeah, people know.
Okay, so yeah. I'm going to like train myself. That's better. Ooh.
I'm also training myself. I'm at
Okay.
109.1k, so I'm training.
Yay! I'm so close.
I think you're a baby weakling now.
Yeah. Baby weakling.
What is your power, strength, this child?
Obviously, you will have more than me.
It's going to be close because you have more money every time. More energy.
I'm going to not pull the arcade right now. I'll just pull these.
Pool tables.
Not pool tables.
Oh, the smallest ones.
Yeah, the
I
football.
think we can get more value of them.
All three at the time. I read that also last time. Yeah, so that's better.
Okay, I'm at 680.
Let's see if I can move all three at a time.
I'm
Yeah,
at 683 now. That's good.
Okay, I can.
And I'm a baby weakling.
I'm at 660.
Okay.
That's a lot. Okay, that is very
I'm
good.
pulling the foosball, the air hockey, all the things at once. It will work. The foosball is easy to pull for me. Okay, you need to take that real quick. I'm waiting.
Oh, someone is calling him. He will leave the game for 10 minutes, I guess, and he will join again. Okay, guys. Yeah, he's leaving right now for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, he will join, I guess. 10 to 15. Okay, I am lagging. I'm definitely lagging. I'm definitely lagging. And yeah, if you hear any sound in the background, please don't ask me. Oh my god. Oh no, I'm lagging very badly. No, my shirt. See, it looks so bad. Where are the sleeves of my shirt? No. My shirt sleeves are gone. I didn't notice that before properly. Wait, what? Oh my god, what? Okay, I'm definitely lagging. Okay, guys. 1 minute. Huh? 1 minute, guys. Yeah. No. I don't think so. You hear that much sound in the background. Okay, let's grab. Hey! Okay, grab. Can I can grab both at a time. Or else I'll just grab 3 at a time. Okay. Did I get 3? No. Okay, now I got 3. Now let's go, guys. Oh, yeah. Yeah, guys. He's back. He'll join the game after some time. He's chilling right now. Oh, 1 minute. He forgot to do something. He forgot to do something.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
So I think you need to take those tables which are in the beginning. I forgot the name. Foosball ones.
Yeah, foosball and air hockey. I took all the 3 at
foosball, 3 of them are 19.5k. So that's good.
Okay, yeah, 1 point.
And easy to pull.
Okay, yeah. I'll like stop here and train myself. I have to train a lot. Okay, don't wow. Hey, don't do that!
I'm not there.
Okay, now first I will train. Okay, 1 minute, guys. 1 minute. I have to mute myself. Yeah, 1 minute. Sorry. Okay, let's train and see if we can go more than baby weakling. I want to cross him so bad in this. 687. Okay, 698. Come on. Oh yes, I'm so close to 7. Oh god, please don't finish my energy right now. Don't finish it. I'm so close. No! I was so close. And they finished and my energy is finished. No, god, no. Why? Oh my god. Oh, okay. Sorry about the background noises. Sorry guys about the background noises. Okay, he's back again. He will be joining. Okay. I need to get
Okay,
3 more. Okay, here. Okay, good.
But I'm in the beginning stage again, so I'll teleport.
Yeah. You cannot use the teleporter if you forgot.
Why can't I?
Oh yeah, you can actually.
I won't use the teleporter. I'll pull all these things. Because by the time I reach there, I'm pulling all of these other things also. So that
Okay, now finally I can get 3 more times. I can train myself 3 more times and I will get to 700 strength.
700?
Yeah.
Wow. I'm at 683.
You're at 683. Okay. Okay, yeah, this happens a lot. If I don't do this, this is going to happen. Okay, done. Yes, yay! I'm a weakling.
Oh, that's funny. Weakling.
Yeah.
I'm in that the fitness stage it was there, right? The
Yeah.
one which had tires and all that stuff.
Yeah.
I pulled every single thing and it's still possible. And I got like 15k or something like that.
Okay, wait! Oh my god, is there someone hacking again?
Why? What's
A
happening?
massive noob.
That's weird. I don't know how is it happening.
Yeah. I'm shocked. Okay, can a weakling pull this big arcade?
Yeah, try it out. The big arcade as in the basketball
Arcade
one or
machine.
the exit one?
I'm talking about the arcade machine.
Yeah, the exit you mean, yeah.
Yeah, can I move this?
Yeah, try it out. I'll be back.
No, I
It's
still
not possible.
cannot. Looks like we'll have to go to 800, I guess.
I'm in the arcade finally. I could have just gone through these walls, but I didn't do that. I pulled every single thing so that it helps me in upgrading.
Okay, let's see if we can pull a basketball. No, we cannot. Still.
Okay, you can't? Okay, I also cannot then. I can pull one racing arcade. No, I won't pull the racing arcade. I'm going for the smallest ones. Because
Okay.
we learned it is the best.
Can a weakling pull all the racing arcades, all the amount of racing
I don't think so.
Okay.
If you do it, tell me.
Oh my god, why is this? Why does happen to me only? There's a fitness bro. Go away, pa.
Okay, you need to go away from him. It'll take time, I think.
Yeah.
I took 3 foosball, 3 air hockey, and I got. Oh god, that's a lot.
Yeah, I know.
That's like 30k or something. Okay.
Hey!
I took it away.
Okay, phew.
Okay, good. Take one of the pool tables also. It helps.
Okay, yeah, let me put this to do not disturb mode so that I get no notifications.
Yeah.
Okay, done.
I have taken 3 air hockeys, 1 pool table, and
Oh.
I
I'm
need
pretty
the
much lagging.
small thing, the foosball.
Oh, I'm pretty much lagging. I'm pretty sure about that.
I'm stuck at one place. Okay, remove your stuff real quick. Good.
Yeah, sure.
I have 3 foosball, 3 air hockey, and 1 pool table. I can still move like. I'm faster than you, I feel. I don't know. Okay, I'm in the same speed as you are.
Yeah.
What is your energy? How much do you?
709.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you just worked out. I have 175k. I'm going to use it.
Oh, okay.
Here,
I'm lagging pretty
there's a
much.
massive
Oh
noob.
my god, only 8% battery!
There's a massive noob pulling a foosball. This is cursed.
I know. Okay, sorry guys, I have to end the video over here. So if you like the video, please like it, subscribe, share, and you can always unsubscribe, it's free. Also subscribe to Mau Gaming. The previous name was Mau Brawl Stars.
Yup.
Bye.
पागल हो तुम.
Okay.